One morning, Tiko found something strange hiding under the leaves.
With a blink, the tiny rocket came alive. Hi, I'm Raya. Raya grew bigger. Hop in, Tiko. Blast off! With a rainbow whoosh, they blasted into the sky. Space shimmered all around them, like floating glitter. Then came Glowbie, the friendliest star in the galaxy. But the rainbow bridge was broken. No one could cross space safely. Glowbie had an idea. Find the lost color crystals. First stop, the red planet of bubbling lava. Tiko snatched the fire crystal just in time. Next, they flew to the blue moon of floating ice. With Glowbie's help, Tiko got the frost crystal.
The green jungle planet was bursting with wild colors.
Tiko freed the green crystal from twisty vines.
With all crystals collected, it was time to fix the bridge. Glowbie used star magic to power them up. Piece by piece, the bridge returned. Colors spread across the galaxy like flowing magic.
The rainbow bridge was finally whole again.
All the galaxy friends cheered for their heroes.
But it was time for Tiko to return home.
They zoomed back through Earth's sky, leaving rainbow streaks.
Raya gently landed and shrank to her tiny toy shape. Glowbie left Tiko a star charm, proof of their adventure.
Tiko smiled, knowing another colorful mission was waiting among the stars. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.